Hello, welcome to Blossom Kitchen. In this video, I will walk you through how to prep melon or egusi for storage, and it will stay for months, still retaining its freshness. Do well to watch the video to the end because I'm going to give you tips that will help you in your cooking journey. Alright, let's dive right in. Alright, this is my egusi. I bought it from the market and I'm going to prep it now. Let's do it together. This egusi came with a lot of dates. I bought it from the local market, so I'm going to sieve, as you can see me do. Take a look at different types of dates on the egusi. So I will pick up every nonsense inside this egusi, remove the stones, the bad ones, and any other stuff that is not good. I promise that I will give you some tips. Take a look. If you cook your egusi with these bad ones, your soup taste will be bad and it will be smelling. So look at what I picked out of this egusi. Wow. Please, when next you buy your egusi from the market, don't grind it with this kind of exhibit inside. It will spoil the taste of your egusi. So now, the next step after picking up all the dirty ones, there are some dirt that are still attached to this egusi that we cannot see with our bare eye. Although it appears and looks neat, but I'm going to do justice to it now. So just watch. Look at the bad ones that I pick out. They are very bad. Number one, it will color your egusi. Number two, it will give you bad taste.
Number three, it easily gets spoiled and reduces the storage life of your egusi.
So, take a look. Take a look. That's the reason why I shoot this video, and that's why I'm taking time to show you things that can hang around. But if you buy your egusi from the store, any grocery store out there, it's possible it has gone through the process of cleaning, but peradventure it is not, or you get your egusi from the local market, please follow this step. So I will add a little dishwashing soap and wash.
Wash the egusi with your two hands, rubbing them between your two palms for the soap to do justice to the egusi. Please do not over squeeze.
Washing your egusi this way bring out all the dirt. As you can see, the water is colored already, showing that the egusi is actually dirty.
This recipe is a time saver. Do it once and use it for long.
Tell me in the comments, how do you prepare your egusi? Or is there a different way from mine that you prep your egusi? Let me know, please. So this is exactly what I'm saying. Look at how dirty the water looks. Take a look. Take a look. So me, I don't want to eat this with my food. That's why I prep my egusi this way. Look at it.
I will sieve out the dirty water from the egusi and rinse it properly.
I pour out the first water. Some egusi can be dirtier than this, but this one is even okay. So I will wash the second time and rinse the third time. After repeating the process, then it is ready for drying. Yes, you can see the water is clearer and neater now. The water is clearer now. So I'll still rinse off this water and still go the third time. Wow, this is exactly what I want. So after washing, I scooped out the egusi from the water and sieve the excess water out. So I will now use a trays. I use 2 trays to sun dry.
You can also use a dehydrator for this process if you wish. But for me, I'm using the sun to dry my egusi. Tell me in the comments, which method did you prefer? Dehydrating or using the sun to dry?
So after sun drying, this is the egusi. It came out fine, came out well, very fine. Wow, crispy, neater, fine, no dirt, no stones, no bad things there. So the next stage for us now is to grind. So I'll grind the egusi using my blender. So I'll pour the grounded egusi into a container and repeat the process until I finish grinding. So this is the result of our egusi preparation. So the last step here is to package it. So I'm using a Ziploc bag to package my egusi. You can use any airtight container in your own case. Just make do with what you have. So I'll gently scoop out the egusi into the Ziploc bag until it's filled up. Then I can zip it up.
This recipe is a time saver. Do it once and use it for long. Unless I forget, I have a delicious egusi soup video. Check it up at the description.
If you have watched the video up to this extent, it means you love my recipe. Kindly give my video a thumbs up, like and share with your friend. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.